challenging the maintainability of this application.
My lord, this matter,
My lord, I am for the state in this matter.
Yes.
I am aggrieved by the issuance of a, rather pasting of a notice on my shop room, which is a jewelry shop, purportedly issued by my learned friend's client, respond number bank, saying that they have obtained an order from the district magistrate and directing me to vacate the property by today.
Yes.
My claim is that I am a bona fide tenant from 1967, and therefore,
Just tell me why the writ petition will be maintainable.
yes, my lord, I am acutely aware that I have to cross that hurdle.
Yes.
My lord, the availability of alternative remedy itself is not a bar for lordship to entertain this writ petition. For 4 reasons. Number one, if I can show that there is a violation of the fundamental right of my client. Number two, if the principles of natural justice has been given a go by. Number three, if there is a violation of the statutory provision as well as statutory provision laid down in the statute and the court ordained laws. And fourth, if the virus is challenged. I am not on fourth. Virus is not challenged. I have a right to move the learned tribunal under section 17(4)(a). But under section 17(4)(a), first I have to establish that I am a tenant and a notice has to be issued upon me as a tenant to vacate. Today notice is not upon me. Notice is in the name of a party whom I do not know. I have no privity of contract, not even upon my landlord. The notice comes upon my shop room showing that I have to vacate the property. It is on the name of some other person. Only relationship with this notice and myself is the address of the shop room. Lordship kindly sees the notice. At page 352, annexure P9.
Yes.
Kindly sees at the bottom, I am also not on all the properties, only the part of property in which I am there. At the bottom, second one, Envision Builders, 164A SP Mukherjee Road, such and such. Right hand side also.
Are you Envision Builders?
No,
So, how are you
because
concerned?
this property,
Which property? 164D
yes,
is yours?
A and B.
A and B.
Lordship turns the page. Kindly sees description of the immovable property given.
Yes.
Property 1, I am not interested.
Yes.
Property 2, all that piece and parcel of Bastu land measuring 2 katha, 5 chatak, 5 square feet.
So
With
that is not yours.
that is mine, tenanted property where my jewelry workshop is situated.
2 katat, 5 chitaks, 5 square feet, together
And-
with structure.
Yes,
Being premises number 64A, Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Street, such and such. Property stands in the name of Envision Builders. Deed number such and such. You are the tenant.
I am the tenant there.
He is the tenant in both the premises.
I'll show you.
Both the premises.
I am the tenant in
64A,
164A as well as 164B.
164B, property number 3. 1 kata, 15 chitaks, property number B. In
One is my jewelry shop, another is my jewelry
Workshop.
workshop.
all right. And you are a tenant under whom?
I am the tenant originally under Lordship. Now I will show.
No, don't show me. Just tell me you are tenant under somebody else.
Original landlord.
Now, Envision purchase the property because there is a deed number. You do not have any privity of contract with Envision.
No.
Right. No issues. Let me hear the bank ones.
Yes.
What?
Your
Tell me.
Lordship is, aware with
And my
respect
lord,
to the-
I am tenant from 1967.
Yes, yes.
Those
Sorry.
documents I have produced.
No,
There is
but-
an order from the Honorable Current
Yes,
Trial Court
please.
also recognizing that.
My lord,
You obtained an order from the district magistrate.
yes. Now, my lord, kindly see the property was sold in the year of 2023.
Sold in as is where is basis.
No, sold to the purchaser on 2023. And my lord, your lordship.
I want to see one document from you,
Right.
the application you made before the
District
district magistrate
Yes.
by disclosing whether the petitioner is there in possession or not. Just give me that affidavit.
Yes, my lord, before
My
this,
lord,
your
we-
lordship kindly allow me to submit a judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court 2024 Supreme Court cases, my lord, Bafna judgment,
I,
where it has been categorically stated that the whether exercise of the extraordinary jurisdiction of the High Court under Article 226 of the Constitution in surfacey matters.
you just show me the affidavit.
Yes,
You are for the district magistrate. Show me the affidavit that you
But,
have.
give me 1 day time, my lord. Give me
One day time.
1 day.
yes.
I want to see the
Number
affidavit.
one, number two, my lord, kindly see, my lord, the
But
demand.
over the telephonic instruction, what I had, my lord, this was not mentioned. So we passed an order.
My lord, the bank was not aware that whether that property, there was a tenancy in respect of the property. My lord, kindly allow me,
Suppose,
7, 6, no, my lord.
suppose
Yes,
there is a tenant,
yes,
right?
yes,
Somebody is there in possession.
yes.
Follow nine.
Will you go and
Yes.
throw him out and take
Follow.
possession?
My lord, with due respect, my lord, I have got the judgment of the Supreme Court, several Supreme Court, that tenancy agreement, if it at all, for more than 1 year, then it is required to be registered. And otherwise, it cannot be accepted. My lord, that judgment
In
I have.
how many tenancy agreements in West Bengal?
Yes,
How many tenancy agreements of
Right.
more than 1 year are registered?
yes. No, it
My lord,
must be registered, that is as per, my lord,
I-
section
How many
107 of the
tenants?
Transfer of
Yes,
Property Act.
right.
107 of the Transfer of Property Act.
Yes.
Now, my lord, your lordship, kindly, once, my lord,
You please show me the affidavit,
my lord,
the
today,
details.
my lord, this matter did appear on Friday as item number 41. Today, all on a sudden, I was
No,
told that this
we-
matter will be mentioned on Monday. And today my lord, kindly see the letter. Kindly see the letter.
All right. If
My lord,
you
it was-
are without any notice,
I do not
My
have
lord,
an,
I am
yes,
told
my
that
lord,
in that notice itself, it was mentioned that if it is not taken up on Friday, we will mention it on Friday itself to take it up on Monday. Lordship,
my lord,
my lord,
kindly
that
see it is
the
written,
last
my lord,
line.
kindly see it is written, please find enclosed here
To
is copy of the writ
submit.
petition along with all annexure which has been filed before the Honorable Court on 11th February, and the same shall be taken up for hearing by the Honorable Justice Amrita Sinha on 14th February 2025 or soon thereafter, and when the business of the Honorable Court shall permit. If it is informed that if the matter is not taken up for hearing on 14th February 2025, the same shall be mentioned an early hearing before the Honorable Justice Amrita Sinha on 17/2.
For early hearing on 17/2.
Yes, so
is
my lord,
today.
it was supposed to mention today for
all
15
right.
My lord, that is
Take
what I'm saying.
instruction.
Because
Are you proceeding for sale?
my lord, sale was concluded in 2023.
Auction sale, this
Yes.
notice?
Auction sale, my lord, may I
Page
hand over a copy?
352 is for handing
No,
over
my lord,
possession.
yes, 30th June, my lord, 2023. My lord, kindly see sales certificate. My lord, kindly see the sales certificate. I am sending over the sales certificate. For, my
You
lord,
proceed with the sale. Do not throw out the
No, no,
petitioner.
no,
It's as easy as
sale
this.
has already been concluded.
Very well.
Yeah.
Conclude it.
January
Who's
to-
stopping?
The auction
Yes.
purchaser will step in
No,
in
I
the
have
shoes
to,
of the original landlord.
my lord, my lord, your lordship, kindly see section 17(4) of the Surface Act. My lord, there is an efficacious remedy before the Debts Recovery Tribunal, because section 17(4) clearly states, my lord, that any person.
Now listen,
why
what
did I
you
get a
want? You
notice?
want to throw out the petitioner? Is this your case?
My lord, because I was not aware there was a tenant.
Right. If somebody has played fraud on you, why will these people suffer? Just tell me this. Somebody has played fraud on you. Your purchaser.
My lord, if I may,
The-
with due respect, my lord, kindly hear me one moment. Sale
I'll hear
notice,
you for
yes,
more time.
yes, my lord, sale
Don't
notice
fall
was
for it
published.
today.
No, sale notice was published. Kindly see, sale notice was published. It was pasted on the floor, on the property, on the proper conspicuous place on the property in the year of 2023. Nothing was happened.
What will happen?
Nothing was happened. When
What
they
will,
did-
what,
no,
what
they
will
should have
happen?
come. They should have come.
Why?
They should have said that we are the tenant.
Let them remain as tenants.
But my lord, your lordship kindly see.
Your selling the property will not change their status. They remain as tenants.
My lord,
Whoever the purchaser is will step in as, over there.
we do not have any documents. We do not have any documents that
So
they are the tenant.
somebody,
They are,
did you
they can-
check for? Did you check for the documents?
My lord, they have already disclosed of the some rent receipts and trade
What
license.
more will they show? For showing tenancy,
There
what
was
more
no-
will they
my lord,
show?
There was no such agreement, and there was a dispute in between the previous landlord.
Let
was a
it remain.
dispute.
Why? You are the bank. Why will you enter into all these things?
No, but my lord, I have to realize the huge amount. The claim is more
You
than
have sold it
46
off?
crores.
You have sold off the property, so you must have recovered your dues.
No, that I have to hand over the possession to the my lord, the purchaser.
You
That
will
means-
hand over the possession in as is where is basis. Who has given you the right to throw somebody out and then hand over vacant possession?
My lord, I have got the statutory right under section 14 of
To
the
throw off
SRPC.
somebody out.
Not throw. My lord,
Then
they have not, my lord, they have not come with the my lord, with a clean hands.
who has come with a clean hand?
tenant,
Somebody
the
who has
tenant,
not
They
disclosed
were
the
aware of it,
tenancy.
my lord. They were aware of it when the
The
property
landlord
was-
was also aware? Wasn't the landlord aware?
Yes.
What
Landlord
type
was-
of
my lord,
inventory?
their account become NPA, and I have enforced my right under section. my
Not
lord.
their account.
Yes, the
Not
account,
their account.
not the
Yes.
borrower's account. Borrower's
So
account.
you take steps against the borrower. Why will you disturb the people who are there for the last 40 years? The SRPC proceeding has become a measure to throw out these tenants who are there for years together.
Then, my lord, your lordship, because the date was
Take
given tomorrow.
instructions.
No, date was given tomorrow. So, my lord, kindly give me 1 day time. I shall produce all the documents.
Yes, you produce documents. The DM will also produce the affidavit, relying on which the order was passed by the DM.
Yes, no
Right.
problem, my lord. Yes.
Lordship may
Achha.
then kindly stay the order for a limited period.
The,
My lord, let them go to the debts recovery tribunal.
I will see who is to go where. Right?
No, my lord, kindly, my lord,
Yes,
kindly
yes, the
visualize
court will see.
statutory remedy, my lord. I am the, my lord, I am the bank. I am dealing with the public money, and huge money is required to be recoverable. And if I could
He is
not,
also a member of the public.
but he was aware of it, my lord. Kindly see, he was
You
aware.
were
of
also
it.
aware of it.
No, I were not.
Somebody has played fraud on you. He has annexed all documents with the writ petition. Go through them.
My lord, the
Now you
document-
know, go through them.
No, my lord, kindly see, they
And
have
the-
annexed
the,
the documents
the,
only in respect of the
uh,
rent receipts. Only in respect of the rent receipts. But,
What will they show?
my lord, your lordship, kindly see, as per
I
the
am not
tenancy act.
accepting your submission with regard to the agreement. I am not accepting.
But my lord, kindly see the judgment of the
I will
Supreme Court
see it
regarding
when
my
it
lord,
is
the
taken up for
jurisdiction of this court.
consideration. Initial stage, I will not. Today is the very first day you are not ready with instructions. You come back with instruction, I'll hear you. Right? The notice dated 28th of January 2025 by the authorized officer of the Union Bank of India.
Yes.
In respect
may
of
I
the
hand over a-
Property
Disturb na
Act
karo.
164A and 164B, Shama Prasad Mukherjee Road.
My lord, only in respect of the 100
PS.
square feet and 60 square feet.
Yes. Only with respect. Other petitioner is not here. Why will the court interfere? PS হচ্ছে Tollygunge, Kolkata 700026. কি বললাম? Petitioner is aggrieved নাকি? Notice is impugned in the instant writ petition. Stop paragraph. The notice was issued by the bank for taking possession of the property which was mortgaged to the bank. Stop paragraph. To recover the loan amount, comma, the bank is taking steps under the SRPC Act. Stop. The petitioner claims to be a tenant in the said property. Comprising of
My lord, 4th January
Total-
2024, my lord, sales
total-
certificate was issued.
160 square feet. uh, for a considerable period of time. Stop. A title suit in connection with the said property is pending consideration before the learned civil court, being TS number 5761 of 2013.
My lord, that was decreed, my lord. That was decreed, my lord. Bank was not a party to that suit.
ঠিক আছে? Next. The petitioner apprehends that relying on the order passed by the district magistrate on 31st of July 2024, the bank may take steps to dispossess the petitioner from the tenanted premises. Paragraph. The prayer has been made to restrain the bank to dispossess the petitioner. Paragraph. Learned advocate representing the bank raises an issue with regard to the maintainability of the writ petition. Stop. In support of the submission that the writ petition will not be maintainable, the bank has relied on the judgment passed by the Honorable Supreme Court in the matter of CELIR LLP
Bafna Motors.
versus Bafna Motors within bracket Mumbai Private Limited and others. Stop. It has been submitted that the petitioner ought to approach the Debts Recovery Tribunal for relief. Stop. Paragraph. Learned advocate representing the district magistrate seeks time to take instruction. Stop. Paragraph. According to the provisions of Section 14 of the SARFAESI Act 2002, the secured creditor may obtain order under the Act, under the said provision of the Act, only upon filing an affidavit affirmed by the authorized officer of the bank giving certain declarations. Stop. Let the said affidavit, relying upon which the district magistrate passed order under Section 14 of the Act, be placed before this court on the adjourned date. Stop. Paragraph. How soon can you bring this affidavit? Both of you. How soon?
I can
No, no,
produce
this week, my lord. This week.
This week. All right. The matter stands adjourned till 4th March 2025. The affidavit shall be placed before this court on the adjourned date with an advance copy to the learned advocate representing the petitioner.
I'm much obliged.
Stop. Next. The matter is made returnable on 17th of March 2025. Stop. To allow this court to adjudicate as to whether there has been any violation of the fundamental right of the petitioner and whether steps were taken by the secured creditor in terms of Section 14 of the SARFAESI Act. The bank is restrained from taking any coercive step against the petitioner to dispossess them from the tenanted premises
I'm much obliged, my lord.
till 28th of March 2025 or until further order, whichever is earlier. Stop. It is, however, made clear that it will be open for the bank to take steps in the matter, but without dispossessing the petitioner from the tenanted premises. You can proceed to hand over possession in as is where is basis.
My lord. My lord.
The bank, I'll record that. The bank
No,
may
my lord.
hand over possession
Yes, my lord, kindly.
to the purchaser in as is where is basis. একটু add up করে নিন এইখানটাতেই। The bank may hand over possession to the purchaser in as is where is basis
Without disturbing the petitioner, my lord.
without disturbing the petitioner in any manner
That-
whatsoever.
That already.
Affidavit of service is retained with the written on records. I mentioned this line only for your benefit,
My lord.
so that you don't think that the court is standing in your way to take possession.
No, no, no.
You can certainly take possession.
Yes, yes.
Do not disturb them.
Very well. Very well. I'm deeply obliged.
I am obliged. my lord.
I'm grateful.
17ই মার্চ